Good Sunday evening, everyone. My name is Robert Fry. I'm a lead forecaster here at the National Weather Service Office, New Orleans, Baton Rouge, Louisiana. I'll be completing your weekly weather briefing for this evening, Sunday, April 2nd, 2023. So let's get started. Taking a look at our situation overview, well above average temperatures early to midweek, with some of us actually warming to near 90 degrees during the afternoon hours, especially out toward the Baton Rouge area. A frontal boundary is forecast to stall across western and central Louisiana mid to late week, so don't get used to those 90-degree temperatures. We'll discuss that as the rain chances increase here and later on in the slides. But heavy rainfall is possible west of the I-55 corridor and especially west of the Atchafalaya. River flood warnings remain in effect for the Red River Landing or the Mississippi River at Red River Landing, and again we'll take another look at that later on in the presentation. So day 3 through 7 hazardous weather outlook. First and foremost, notice that the severe weather potential stays north of our area for the most part, generally across the Mid-South, Missouri, Ozarks, and Mid-Mississippi River Valley. However, closer to home here, you can see that generally from Jackson, Mississippi to Lake Charles, they do delineate a heavy rain potential from April 5th through April 7th, and that's what we're talking about here. It's still close enough to where we're going to have to keep our eye on exactly where the front sets up, but generally speaking, we're looking at 1 to 3 inches of rainfall, generally west of the I-55 corridor. Again, although the severe weather potential does stay well to our north, we can't rule out a stronger storm or two with the strongest activity. So again, Red River Landing here, the Mississippi River, expected crest of 51.5 feet next weekend before a gradual drop-off, so the river flood warning continues out there. And our weekly forecast for New Orleans, Baton Rouge, and Macomb, as you can see, as I mentioned, early in the week, we start off really warm in the mid and upper 80s to near even 90 there in Baton Rouge, like I said. But then temperatures drop off as the rain chances increase by mid to late week here. So inversely, as the rain chances increase later in the week, temperatures will respond by dropping. So again, summary of impacts, very warm to hot conditions early this week. Depends on what your threshold for hot is, but 90 degrees is pretty up there for this time of the year. Rainfall early Monday, tomorrow. Then again, mid to late week. Tomorrow morning, not expecting too much, especially the closer to the Gulf you are. But across interior South Mississippi, the Macomb area may get some rainfall late tonight and early Monday. Heavy rainfall possible generally west of I-55 coming up later this week. Again, we're expecting about 1 to 3 inches as of now, depending on exactly where that front sets up. And as I mentioned with Red River Landing, the river flood warning continues out there at least through mid to late month. It looks like as the river just only gradually drops after crest next weekend. So, all right, folks, that's all I have for you today. Hope everyone has a terrific week. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, be sure to like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, reach out to us, and we'll be happy to field those questions that you may have. Otherwise, again, have a terrific week.